Welcome back to Official Senior Health, where we empower you to live your golden years with vitality, strength, and confidence. Today, we're about to share a simple kitchen ingredient that can be a game changer for seniors everywhere: baking soda. Yes, that humble white powder sitting on your pantry shelf has an astonishing ability to ease 10 common health concerns that can sneak up as we age. Stick around, because at the end of this video, you'll discover how a teaspoon of baking soda could become your new best friend, unlocking better digestion, clearer skin, improved joint comfort, and so much more. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. What if the key to feeling years younger was already in your kitchen? Imagine discovering a remedy that's both cost-effective and backed by science. Would you try it? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Grab your cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's embark on a journey that could transform your health, one baking soda scoop at a time. Have you ever felt that post-meal bloat and wondered if relief could be as simple as stirring something in water? Well, trust me, you're not alone. Many seniors experience digestive discomfort, but the good news is, a pinch of baking soda can neutralize stomach acid in minutes, helping you enjoy your favorite meals without the "oh no" afterwards. Beyond digestion, baking soda's benefits stretch far and wide. But before we unveil the full list of 10 wonders, here's a quick story about my neighbor, Grace. Grace is a vibrant woman in her late 70s who, just like many of us, faced the usual suspects: stiff joints that woke her at dawn, nagging urinary discomfort, and the occasional twinge of muscle soreness after her morning stretching routine. One afternoon, over lemonade on her porch, she mentioned to me that she felt trapped in her body, longing for the energy she had decades ago. I told Grace about baking soda, how a simple solution made with it could offer relief. Skeptical but hopeful, she started her day by dissolving half a teaspoon in 8 ounces of warm water, sipping it before breakfast. Within days, she noticed less heartburn, and after 2 weeks, the morning stiffness that had once plagued her was far less intrusive. Grace was hooked. What if I told you that this same teaspoon could help flush out toxins, easing your urinary tract irritation? Yes, that same baking soda that helped Grace with her acid reflux can also alkalize your urine, creating an environment where those nasty bacteria find it much harder to grow. Now, let's unpack these 10 health problems that could vanish, or at least diminish significantly, when you integrate baking soda into your daily routine. Remember, each solution we discuss today is rooted in scientific principles and age-old wisdom. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, but let's explore the possibilities together. Problem 1. Indigestion and heartburn. By now, you know how baking soda reacts with stomach acid. It neutralizes it, bringing swift relief to that burning sensation. This reaction produces water and carbon dioxide, so it's gentle and safe when used sparingly. Seniors often end up relying on over-the-counter antacids. Baking soda offers a natural, cost-effective alternative. Picture sipping a warm, slightly fizzy drink after a heavy meal and feeling immediate calm. No more nighttime acid reflux that wakes you with a start. Problem 2. Joint pain and stiffness. As we age, our joints can feel like rusty hinges, creaking and groaning at every sunrise. Baking soda's systemic alkalizing effect can reduce inflammation, making it easier for your joints to glide smoothly. It's the pH balance. Chronic low-grade acidosis in the body can flare up arthritis and joint discomfort. By helping restore a more alkaline internal environment, baking soda can ease those aches, allowing you to garden, walk, and dance with less pain. Imagine rolling out of bed with the kind of spring you thought lost, just by tweaking your body's pH. Can you picture yourself waking up without wincing, stepping out onto the porch with a calm smile, ready to greet the day? That could be you, thanks to this unassuming powder. Problem 3. Muscle soreness and recovery. Whether you enjoy gentle yoga, brisk walks, or lifting light weights, muscle soreness can slow you down. Baking soda has been used by athletes for decades as a buffer against lactic acid buildup. By sipping a dilute baking soda solution before or after your workout, you support quicker muscle recovery, reducing the stiffness that often follows exercise. It's like giving your muscles a soft pillow to rest on after a day's work. Problem 4. Urinary tract discomfort. No one wants to be up all night, rushing to the bathroom and feeling that burning pinch. An alkaline urinary environment can discourage bacterial growth, and baking soda helps alkalize your urine naturally. By adding a small amount to your daily water intake, you create a less hospitable space for infection, reducing UTI symptoms and preventing recurrences. Seniors are especially prone to these infections, so this simple tweak could be a nightly blessing. Imagine sleeping through the night, waking refreshed instead of groggy, because you're not making those midnight dashes to the bathroom. Problem 5. Skin irritations and itching. In our senior years, skin can become drier and more prone to irritation. A gentle baking soda bath can soothe itching caused by dry skin or eczema. Just add half a cup of baking soda to your warm bath, soak for 15 minutes, and feel the itch melt away. It's the same soothing, pH balancing action, now comforting your skin. Seniors often shy away from commercial creams laden with chemicals. This is a natural remedy that's been used for generations. Problem 6. Kidney health and detoxification. Our kidneys work tirelessly to filter waste, but sometimes they need a helping hand. Baking soda has been used clinically to slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by neutralizing metabolic acidosis. For seniors, this means potentially preserving kidney function longer, helping them filter toxins more efficiently. A daily baking soda drink, with your doctor's okay, could support this vital organ's health and contribute to overall well-being. Did you know that multiple studies have shown baking soda's effectiveness in slowing kidney disease progression by neutralizing excess acid? It's not just folk wisdom, it's backed by science. Problem 7. Oral health and bad breath. Baking soda has long been a component in toothpastes for good reason. It's mildly abrasive, helping remove plaque, and it neutralizes acids that cause bad breath. Seniors who struggle with dentures or sensitive gums can benefit from gentle brushing with baking soda once or twice a week. It's like giving your mouth a fresh start, helping you speak, laugh, and enjoy meals without embarrassment. Problem 8. Blood pressure balance. While it might surprise many, sodium bicarbonate can play a role in blood pressure management, not by increasing salt intake, but by improving vascular function through pH balance. Some research indicates that metabolic acidosis can contribute to hypertension, and neutralizing that acid helps your blood vessels relax more easily. Always discuss with your physician, but this could complement your existing heart-healthy routine. Could a teaspoon of baking soda really help your heart? Stick around, because later we'll share the recommended dosage that's both safe and effective. Problem 9. Energy levels and fatigue. Feeling sluggish after lunch, with a nap beckoning? Chronic acidity can make you feel tired, weighed down by a body working overtime to maintain balance. Baking soda helps neutralize that acid, freeing up your metabolism to run more smoothly. Think of it as deflating that internal balloon of fatigue, so you've got the zip to enjoy your afternoon hobbies, be it painting, reading, or playing with the grandkids. Problem 10. Immune system support. A balanced pH isn't just about digestion and joints. It's crucial for immune function, too. Pathogens often thrive in acidic environments, so by helping your body maintain a slightly alkaline state, you support your natural defenses. Seniors especially can benefit from that extra layer of protection, making it easier to fend off seasonal bugs and recover more quickly. Now that we've uncovered these 10 remarkable benefits, you're probably wondering, how exactly should you use baking soda? Let's go through a simple, step-by-step ritual that's safe, effective, and easy to remember. 1. Daily morning boost. Start your day by dissolving half a teaspoon of baking soda in 8 ounces of warm water. Sip it slowly before breakfast. 2. Pre-exercise ritual. If you're planning light exercise, have the same mixture 20 minutes beforehand to reduce muscle soreness. 3. Soothing bath. Twice a week, run a warm bath and stir in half a cup of baking soda. Sink in for 15 minutes to calm skin irritations. 4. Oral rinse. Once or twice a week, brush your teeth with a baking soda paste, or simply swish with a teaspoon dissolved in water to keep your mouth fresh. Remember, moderation is key. Too much baking soda can cause electrolyte imbalance, so never exceed 1 teaspoon per day without consulting your doctor. And if you're on blood pressure medication or have heart issues, always get the green light from your healthcare provider. Here's a challenge for you. Try this baking soda routine for 2 weeks and keep a journal of how you feel. Note any changes in digestion, energy, sleep quality, and general comfort. We're confident you'll be amazed, and we can't wait to hear your success stories. There you have it, a humble pantry staple that can help dissolve 10 common health problems for seniors, from heartburn and joint pain to urinary discomfort and low energy. It's time to take control of your health with a remedy that's as old as time, yet incredibly relevant for today's wellness seekers. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Official Senior Health for more simple, science-backed tips to live your best life. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and share this video with a friend who could benefit from these baking soda secrets. Thank you for watching. Here's to your health, happiness, and many vibrant years ahead. Until next time, stay balanced, stay energized, and stay youthful, 1 teaspoon at a time.